Hello everyone. Today I have a video I want us to talk about. I want to share about the air conditioner testing report for the AC Split system. So let's go to see. This is the format for the testing and commissioning for the air conditioning system for AC Split test report. So in this video I want to share the form that we can use for the official testing and commissioning. Okay, let's go to see. So what is the format that it is necessary for you to check? So it is areas we can keep for the location and the address for the companies, and this is the versions we can keep it like this. And if the format have many change, you can keep the revisions number here. Let's have the reversion 2 or reversion 1 or reversion 2 like this. And this is the issue state. You can add the actual state here, and this is the address of our project, so you can use the location here, and this is the project name. You can add for your actual projects, and this area are the nameplate design of the machine. Here we can see the manufacturers, and here you can see the FCUs and CDU, GF in ground floor. So the nameplate of the FCU here, we can, the manufacturer is LG for example, so you don't need to keep the partition here, you can use like this. And the location, it means the service location where the FCU and the outdoor unit is, and the service we can keep the air conditioning system. And this is the model for the FCU, serial number, and this is the data display is the data for the CDU, so you just can keep for your actual or something, follow the actual nameplate of the machines. And this is the type of the aircon, like the refrigerant and the amount of charging. It will describe all in the nameplate of the machine. And after you check on the nameplate design, you will have the actual test. This is the indoor unit actual test, and this is the outdoor unit actual test location. You can keep like this. For the outdoor unit, normally we check the airflow, we check the leaving temperature, the entering temperature, like this. And for the outdoor, we just check the pressure of the refrigerant, so air no need to check. We can check, we can measure, but here we don't check. And you can have keeps the command here. What is the command that we can command for the owner they can come on here, and this is the tester who test, so we can keep our name like me, the date here, and the inspector, the owner they can sign here, and company name and the dates. Yes, this is the format for the AC single split system. For the complete set, this is the actual test. Normally we have the inspection checklist too, so we could see the inspection checklist. This is the AC split inspection checklist, so we keep the same. For the heater we keep the same, and here we can see the manufacturing and something that we complete. And for the FCU system, we have many points to check, like we check the outdoor unit capacity, action approval, and the indoor unit capacity, action approval, and like we check all everything I remove before we do TNC. So all these points, check software and something are required for the inspection. If everything is okay, then the owner will sign here. The owner sign. The owner sign, and they will keep the company and that. So our job are finished. Okay, thank you everyone. So I hope this is a useful form for engineering who are looking for the format of AC split testing report. You can use this form for your work. I will drop the link for the Excel file, for the Excel in Word file. Okay, thank you for watching.